Queens of the Stone Age frontman Josh Homme made a lengthy statement detailing his custody battle with the Distillers frontman's ex-wife Brody Dalle. In the statement, Homme seeks to break the record for a situation that has taken a dark turn. The split between Homme Dalle has made headlines in recent years, and in September 2021, TMZ reported that their daughter had filed a restraining order against Homme. Their son was trying to do the same. The new statement reveals Homme as sole legal guardian of former couple's underage children, insisting that restraining order paperwork was actually filed by Dalle's current boyfriend, Gunner Foxx, and Dalle admits to knowing Foxx at least forged his signature on it. One of documents. It also states that Homme's sons have since been given a restraining order against Foxx. Despite obvious tension and conflict outlined in the statement, it concludes with Homme expressing his hope that he and Dalle will be able to peacefully co-parent their children in future. Related video. The full statement is as follows. Joshua Homme had previously refrained from speaking to the media about his family, out of respect and concern for his underage children and their well-being. In light of continuing lies, repeated violations of children's privacy, and the resulting emotional damage, it's time to tell truth. It is our hope that this will end investigations, speculation, and give the family privacy attention they deserve. Joshua Homme and Brody Dalle were able to co-parent their 3 children in a healthy and functional manner amicably for more than a year after their divorce proceedings were settled. The situation took a dark turn when Dalle violated the 50-50 custody agreement by preventing the children from seeing their father. Despite multiple orders from the Los Angeles family court to extradite the children, and a contempt of court, Dalle continued to violate her custody agreement. The situation was made worse by the inappropriate actions of her boyfriend Gunner Foxx. In March 2022, Los Angeles family court granted Joshua Homme sole legal custody of all 3 children, and they are now in the care of their father and paternal grandparents. Dalle, meanwhile, was granted supervised visitation with her youngest child. Joshua Homme will remain sole legal guardian of all minors until his custody hearing in the fall of 2023, at which point a more permanent settlement will be determined by Los Angeles Family Court. The recent actions of Brody Dalle and Gunner Foxx have not only caused emotional damage to the children, but also put them in great danger. As a result of these actions, on March 16, 2023, the Los Angeles Family Court ordered Brody Dalle to be permanently suspended for 1 year and 11 months. This domestic violence restriction order was issued to protect the Homme family, including Joshua, his 3 children, and Joshua's parents, Michael and Irene Homme. In the fall of 2021, Homme's sons reportedly issued a restraining order against their father, signed by their mother. Court proceedings have since emerged that this restraining order was drafted and filed by Gunner Foxx, who forged Dalle's signature on the document. Dalle later testified in court that he knew Foxx forged his signature while doing nothing to fix the record, either legally or in the media. In August 2022, a restraining order was issued to Joshua Homme and his 2 sons, protecting them from Gunner Foxx and preventing him from making any contact with them for 5 years. Foxx's request for a restraining order against Homme was rejected by 2 separate courts. Homme's daughter has reportedly issued a restraining order against him. This was also presented by Gunner Foxx, who brought the underage boy to court without the presence of one of his parents. Before hearing on this issue, at request of child and through his own lawyer, decision was annulled. All allegations against Joshua Homme by Brody Dalle and Gunner Foxx, or on behalf of Homme children, have been repeatedly investigated by local law enforcement, the Los Angeles DCFS, and Los Angeles District Courts. Additionally, children are represented by their own court-appointed legal counsel, DCFS, and the Los Angeles court system, and their interests are best protected. After these investigations, as well as 24-hour court-appointed monitoring, Los Angeles Family Court decided that it was in the best interests of children to stay in their care. Their father. The Homme family is grateful to the Los Angeles District Courts, the minor's attorney, local law enforcement, DCFS, and court-ordered observers for their time, continued care and attention. It is purpose of the Los Angeles Family Court system, and Joshua Homme's sincere hope that this matter will be resolved so that children of both Homme and Dalle can peacefully co-parent. The announcement comes as the Stone Age Queens are back in action this year. The band is scheduled to play at U.S. festivals Welcome to Rockville, Sonic Temple, Boston Calling and Aftershock, as well as a number of European festivals. Additionally, Kotze has reportedly been working on their first album since Villains in 2017. Buy Stone Age Queen's tickets here.